Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy, Mr.Viral. You already know, man. Your baby hungry. You about to go get something to eat. But we about to go try the, what's it called? The Firecracker from Jimmy John's. Check it out. The wrap. I don't know what kind of sub it is. Wrap it is, I mean. And got the chips. I don't know if you get a cookie with it. Drink pop. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's just, the Firecracker set feast. I seen it on Facebook. I seen it on Snapchat. I seen it on TV. Man, I said, man, I gotta try this bad boy before it goes out because it looked busting. It looked fire. You know what I'm saying? Firecracker gotta be fire. You know what I'm saying? Probably hot. I want to see how hot it is. You know what I'm saying? See if it's the wrap hot or something. But I don't know. We gonna go try it out right now. So we gonna go get it and go see if it's busting or not, man. New Firecracker feast, man. Jimmy John's. Man, that look fire. I hope they got the chips and everything, because last time I don't think I seen the chips there, but we gonna see. Yo, the spot right here, man. It's the spot. Firecracker, boy.
You want medium drink? Medium large.
Yeah. Alright, we done secured the bag. It came out to altogether, it came out to let's see. $17.34 altogether. Of course, my light. What you got me? $17.34. It came with like 16 plus tax and all that stuff. They had everything, man. The confetti cookie sandwich. I ain't gonna lie. This bad boy look fire. Confetti cookie? Okay. They doing something. We got the hot chips. Firecracker hot chips. You know what I'm saying? They regular Lay's hot chips, I bet. They might be the off-brand though, so we gonna try them out, you know what I'm saying? And then we got the napkins and a straw. And I had to get I was gonna get a Sprite, but I seen root beer. When I see root beer, man, I love root beer, so we had to go with the root beer. Oh yeah, that's busting. Boom! The big sandwich. Okay. Alright, we're gonna open this bad boy up. I haven't even looked at it yet. I don't even know what it looks like. I haven't seen it yet. Okay. Okay, cut it in half like this. Boom. Okay. I mean, I really didn't want it cut in half, but it's okay. I got a big shirt on. Hold on. Okay, it looks like we got some cheese. There are chips in there too, I think. Some jalapenos. We're gonna open this bad boy up. Okay. Okay. Oh, I need to get a picture. A quick Snapchat, quick YouTube picture. I'm gonna get a quick picture real quick. Good enough. Alright, let's try this bad boy out, man. Let's get the first bite. This one looks like the biggest bite right here. We're gonna try it out. Mmm. 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 I can feel a kick already. Them chips. Mmm. Like I say, any sandwich, sub, you put chips in it, it makes it 10 times better. Any chips or subs makes it 10 times better, man. I ain't gonna lie, that bite was 10 out of 10. That bite was fire. Low-key firecracker, you know what I'm saying? That's hot, too. Got my mouth a little hot. We gonna see if these are like the Lay's or like the off-brand. I know off-brand, too, you know what I'm saying? Woo! That bad boy look fire, too. You know what I'm saying? Are these good Lay's or off-brand? Oh, these are good. No wonder why it's so crunchy, because these are like kettle cooked. They're hard. That makes it 10 times better. Oh, these ain't no off-brand. These good kettle cooked fire chips. My throat was hot. Oh. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, I remember it's ready. You got me crying over here. Sure. I'm trying to cook you. Confetti cookie. Like I said, man, this bad boy look good. Let's try it out. Smells good too, like a sugar cookie. Man, I'm telling you, Jimmy John's does not miss. That's a lot of frosting though, like a meal. Cause other people like frosting, but not me. I don't like frosting. It's too sweet. And I ain't gonna lie, that bite, it was sweet, but it was good. I usually just try to eat it like this. Like I'll just eat the cookie. Maybe a little bit of frosting to it. I ain't gonna cap. That cookie's busting to it. I'm gonna get it 10 out of 10. Like I said, it's hot though. But we're gonna add a little bit more chips, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna get a double decker on that bad boy. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it's falling. Look at this. We can shove them in there a little bit. Shove them in there a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that sandwich. That's a sandwich. You got something dripping. Like ranch or something. I don't know, that sauce is dripping though. It's your boy Mr.Viral, man. Trying the Firecracker. Firecracker sandwich. Firecracker chips. Like I said, chips is busting. They ain't like no Lay's, they kettle cooked. These ain't off brand, these good brand. Then we got the confetti cookie. I already bit it up, but 10 out of 10 with the root beer. Busted! It's your boy Mr. Viral from Second on Michigan, representing 989 all day, man. Jimmy John's Firecracker.